ES has moved more than 300 points since last CPI. It is testing a macro trendline resistance. Each time ES has tested this resistance, it has rejected so far this year. Couple of major economic events are coming up, which could be the catalyst ES needs to break this trend, and which could provide us some great trading and swing trading opportunities. Sama here with Mark Trading, and it's December 14th. This is your daily market analysis video. In this video, we are going to talk about the overall trend in ES and Q and the top 3 stocks we are watching going into tomorrow. On this channel, we will share tips and tricks to help you improve on your trading. We'll also do daily market analysis videos just like this one. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you find this information helpful, hit that like button. Without further ado, let's get into the charts. So ES has moved near 4100 from the lows of 3750s after the last CPI report. After lower than expected print, people are anticipating a possible slowdown in interest rate hikes, especially after Powell's recent comments. ES is still trading in this major downtrending channel, as you can see on the chart, since the beginning of this year. It is back near this resistance as we approach the next CPI and FOMC rate hike decision. Overall, the price action is bullish in the market because dips are being bought up, like after the NFP data. Initially, we had a negative reaction, but in the open market, that dip got bought up and ES closed above the recent consolidation area. We are trading near a hard resistance and possibly need a major catalyst for a big move in either direction. An upcoming CPI on December 13 and FOMC rate hike decision on December 14 could be it. NQ also has been trading higher since last CPI, but it is trading under the trendline resistance from June, which is acting as a hard resistance, as we have tested this multiple times since December and can't break above it. Overall, mixed price action in big tech stocks, Netflix, Meta, Microsoft has been relatively strong. On the other hand, Apple, Amazon, and Google are relatively average. They are still struggling to break above psych levels. It all comes down to CPI from here. If we see another downtick in inflation, we could see some buyers rush into these oversold big tech stock, which will push NQ higher. The top 3 stocks that we are watching going into the week. So Microsoft, top on the list, it has been stronger relative to other big tech stocks, holding above a psych level of 250, trading right under the inflection point of multiple resistance coinciding. If we see any sort of front running in big tech stocks or in market on ES and Q, and Microsoft breaks above 257, it is possible to see a multi-day run. Next on the list is Google. Relatively, it's been lagging rest of the big tech stocks, but it is creating a bullish pennant, and the bullish pennant pattern is this. So bullish pennant, and the breakout level for it would be 103. Last on the list is Tesla. Overall, Tesla has dropped a lot in the past few months, and it is finally starting to show signs of reversals. Tesla also has an inverse head and shoulder pattern on multi time frames, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and an hourly chart. It is also back right under psych level of 200. If Tesla breaks above that, especially after especially on Catalyst, we could see a multi-day run on Tesla above 200. This will be all for our watch list going into tomorrow. If you want us to break down any specific stocks in our next market analysis video, let us know in the comments section. If you are interested to join our community and trade live alongside us, check out the link in the description below. I'm Sama. Peace.